Benefits of breastfeeding. Contents. First, benefits according to Ayurveda. Second, how breastfeeding protects babies. Third, why breastfeeding is right for you. Fourth, breastfeeding is good for society. Fifth, breastfeeding help to increase the immunity. First, benefits according to Ayurveda. Ayurveda text have a description about a benefit of breastfeeding. Acharya Kashyap description that good breastfeeding result in good growth, strength, longevity and good health of child as well as not causing any troubles or disease to child. Acharya Charak and Vagbhat give a similar description. It is widely recognized that breastfeeding is the best nutrition for human infant. Breastfeeding should begin as soon after birth as possible. Both baby and mother gain many benefits from breastfeeding. Breast milk contains all the nutrition that an infant needs in the first 6 months of life for normal growth and development, including carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals, and waters. Breastfeeding protects babies. Your first milk is liquid gold. Your milk change as your baby grows. Formula is harder to digest. Breast milk fight disease. Why breastfeeding is right for you? Did you know that your baby can smell you and knows the unique scent of your breast milk? This is why your baby will turn her head to you when she is hungry. Your baby is born with an instinct to curl to your breasts. Life can be easier when you are breastfed. Breastfeeding may seem like it takes a little more effort than formula feeding at first. But breastfeeding can make your life easier once you and your baby settle into a good routine. Second is not breastfeeding costs money. Third, breastfeeding keep mother and baby close. Physical contact is important to newborn. It helps them feel more secure, warm and comfort. Mothers also benefit from this closeness. The skin to skin contact boosts your oxytocin level. Oxytocin is a hormone that helps breast milk flow and can calm the mother. Fourth is breastfeeding is good for the mother health too. Breastfeeding is linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, certain types of breast cancer and ovarian cancer in mothers. During an emergency, such as a natural disaster, breastfeeding can save your baby's life. First, breastfeeding protects your baby from the risky of unclean water supply. Second, breastfeeding can help protect your baby against respiratory illness and diarrhea. Third, even if you aren't able to eat regular meals, your baby will still be able to feed. Fourth, your milk is always at the right temperature for your baby. It helps to keep your baby body temperature from dropping too low. Your milk is readily available with needing other supplies. Breastfeeding is good for society. Breastfeeding saves lives, saves money, is better for the environment. First is breastfeeding saves lives. Recent research show that if 90% of family breastfeed exclusive for 6 months, nearly death among infants could be prevented. Breastfeed saves money. This is because medical care costs are lower for fully breastfed infant than never breastfed infant. Breastfed infant usually need fewer sick care visits, prescription and hospitalization. Breastfeed is better for the environment, like a formula cans and bottle supply create more stress and plastic waste. Your milk is renewable and resources that come packaged and warmed. Breastfeeding helps to improve our immunity system. Breast milk is the optimal food for almost all infants the first year of life. Colostrum is known to contain antibody called immunoglobulins such as IgA, IgG, and IgM in mammals. Other immunocomponents of colostrum include the major component of the innate immunity system, such as a lactoferrin, lysosome, complement, and proline-rich polypeptide. These bioactive agents, which are not found in commercially prepared formula, boost the infant immature immunity system. Hence, et al. Breast milk result in protection of baby who breastfeed against numerous common infections that the non-breastfeed. The antibodies in colostrum provide the passive immunity.